and great traditions. See, this little and great traditions we have seen in several places. This was a concept which was given by Robert Redfield after studying Mexican villages. You get my point? Yes sir, no? Robert Redfield. He also gave a rural-urban community, a rural-urban continuum, or little communities and great communities. All these are interlinked only. Little republics, great republics, something like that. Okay, so these are little and great traditions. You can see this is basically a bipolar concept where the traditions which are restricted to a smaller geographical territory are known as little traditions, and those which are present in a larger geographical territory are known as great traditions. So a festival of a village can be seen as a little tradition, whereas a festival which is celebrated all over can be seen as a great tradition. Not restricting only to festivals. It can be any other thing. It can be any aspect of society and culture. So please write little and great traditions. Robert Redfield, after studying Mexican villages, has given this bipolar concept of little and great traditions. Little traditions are those which are practiced in smaller geographical territory, and great traditions are those which are practiced in a larger geographical territory. See, only for matter of understanding, it's like nothing related to ethnocentrism or something else like that. Only we wanted to differentiate these two, and we are trying to write the perceptions of people towards these little and great traditions. Okay, so there is nothing to do with ethnocentrism or something else like that. Okay. So please write. Little traditions are largely rural in nature, and great traditions are largely urban in nature. Little traditions do not have literary evidence. Great traditions have literary evidence. Little traditions are transmitted from one generation to another only orally, whereas great traditions are transmitted from one generation to another generation.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice. At Vijetha IAS Academy, our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by P Kishore Sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in Vijetha IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.